If Otter.ai is not detecting your voice, yeah, that can completely stop your recordings. In this video, I'll show you quick fixes to solve it fast. First, check your microphone, make sure the correct input device is selected. Next, check permissions. Otter.ai needs microphone access to detect your voice. Now test your microphone outside the app. Yeah, this confirms if the issue is with your device. Make sure your input volume isn't too low. If it's muted or very low, your voice won't be detected. Try restarting Otter.ai. Yeah, this can fix temporary detection issues. Finally, update the app or your audio driver's outdated software can cause detection problems. And that's it. These steps should fix most voice detection issues in Otter.ai. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.